we have to connect it. Yeah. Oh, we don't have Sunkiss. Yeah, whatever we got, put it in there. Except we don't have the.
Oh, never mind. That was cool. No more.
Everything could break it down.
That's the Coca-Cola.
Good job. I think that's. How many more?
There's 0 on it.
That's it? We gotta figure out what that is.
Oh, with the code everything?
V. Yeah, I guess you could just put all of it in there. How many more is left in there, Ree?
1, 2, 3, 8.
So, you can put some waters in there. Sorry. There you go, put it. Just turn it off and turn it back on. go. Y'all want to do this?
Do what?
You can close that up then. Oh wait, let me get some quarters. Hold on. Wait. Quarters. Yeah, I have some here. This is better than nothing. How you doing today?
Take them out of the sack.
I gotta release it. You wanna put the peanuts in?
I want to help Junior.
Junior's finished.
No.
So it's empty. No. Lift it from here. Both hands. Okay, lift it up and push and lift. Push, lift. Push it. You got it. Good girl. Peanuts. You might have to shake it to kind of get the peanuts to even out and then stick it down in, okay? Because sometimes the peanuts will kind of be all at the bottom. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yes. Not put the. Yeah, it was like in that black plastic bag to put it in that thing.
Good job. Lift, yep. There you go. You want to do the honey buns? Okay. Yeah. It's okay, just stick it in there.
Does it matter which one?
Well, right, look at it. You can see when you look can you do the inventory? That's Sun Chips and that's Sun
That's
Chips.
0.
So you gotta update the picture for this one and the name. Okay? Come on, type faster with your little fingers. I think that's Nestle Crunch. We gotta get some more Nestle Crunch.
How much is in there though?
Maybe 5?
No, C3.
I thought we're not done with this.
Oh, sorry. Dots. Pretzels. Yeah, how much is in there?
4.
Yeah, I got that. What is in Morocco
Maybe 7.
popcorn? 7?
It's 5.
Oh.
Maybe 7.
Okay, what is in...
No, go back. You're not saving it.
I am gonna say...
Oh, you can save it all at once? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. You just taught me something. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
What is in B9? 3?
Mhm.
There. I'll save.
You ready?
Yes.
C1, there's 3.
Wait, C9?
C1.
Okay.
You got there's 1.
Yeah, there's 3 in it, right?
Oh yeah, there's 3. And C3, there's 2.
I put 8.
So do it.
Yeah.
It's late.
The what?
On 125, right, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you eating the veggie straws?
That one was open.
They're healthy.
They're healthy. Luckily, was able to get the 2 weeks off.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Yeah.
It's been nice. Just been able to relax, you know. But
Yeah, I'm married woman.
better.
You can't sit still.
I had to give people 3 Diet Cokes and my Coke, because they said your machine would take their money.
It
So
is?
I didn't want them not to come back. So I gave my Diet Coke.
Uh-oh.